How's it going, guys? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install FileZilla, which is a free FTP and SFTP client. Now the first thing that you want to do is go to a search engine, like for example DuckDuckGo, and just type in FileZilla download and search for that. Now the first result should be the correct one. It says download FileZilla client for Windows 64-bit, so just click on that. Then click on the download FileZilla client button. And here you want to select the first option here, which has a download button here down here, so just click on the download button. Then save the installer to your hard drive. And once the installer has been downloaded, just go ahead and open it. And once the installer is opened, just go ahead and click on the agree button for the license agreement. And if you want to install the Avast Secure browser, then just click on accept, but I'm not going to install it. I'm going to click on decline and then click on next. Here you can select if you want to install it for anyone who uses your computer or only for yourself. I'm just going to leave it at anyone and click on next. And here you can select some components that you want to install with the FileZilla client. Now I'm going to personally disable the shell extension thingy, and I'm going to add a desktop icon and then click on next. And here you can select the folder that you want to install FileZilla. Personally, for me this is okay, but if you need to change that, just go ahead and do it. But then click on next. And here you can just start the installation by clicking on install. And then click on finish. And that's how you do it. That's how you download and install the latest version of FileZilla. And I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in another video.